Hi, this is Deb Makes Things. I'm Deb, and today we're going to be making the Bowery Top, or Bowery Top by French Navy Patterns. I have these two fabrics picked out. They're both I think quilting cotton. I got them at the thrift store last spring when I was making myself a whole lot of business casual tops. I thought that these fabrics would be nice. They're a little too patterned for what I gravitate towards, so I haven't made them into tops yet, but I'm gonna use them today because they're the only fabrics in my stash that work for this pattern. It's my birthday next month and I have a twin sister. This is her present, this shirt. I want to have this finished. It'd be really nice to finish today. It is currently 8:49 a.m. This is a pretty simple top. There's 3 pattern pieces, 4 with the pocket. My iron is hot. Let's get started. It is now 9:30 and I've cut out the bulk of the pattern pieces. I just need to do the pockets, and then with the scraps I'm going to make bias tape to finish all the seams. I've come to the point where I've cut out all of the scraps for bias tape. I have this much left of the green fabric, which can make a nice little pouch or maybe pocket bags or just line a bodice or something. I don't have any left over of the blue fabric. I used up all the scraps to make the bias binding. So now I will sew that all together. I just wanted to mention quick that with the blue fabric, I decided to put the stripes going up and down the body because I think that that is the most flattering way for stripes to go. And then for the pocket, I just made the stripes go the opposite way so that you can tell there's a pocket there. And I think that the cuffs go the opposite way too. For this green fabric, it's directional up and down, but not side to side. You can see some of like this one's right way up and this one's upside down, so they make it so that it doesn't matter which way's up because some are up and some are down. The more I look at this fabric, the more I like it. It's growing on me. I've sewn together all my bias bits. I have to cut the strings holding them together and cut off the excess fabric, and then I'll iron the seams open and roll this into a nice little roll so it's easier to use. I finished the bias binding. I have this much of the blue and this much of the green. So I have less of the green, but I do have more green fabric, so I can make more if I need to. I think I'm done all of the prep work, or at least most of the prep work. So the first step that she wants me to do is to stay stitch. So I'll stay stitch. I've stay stitched the neckline and stitched the shoulder seams as well as pressing them open. Reading further into the instructions, I think that if I were to bias bind the shoulder seams to finish them, they would be much too bulky for the kind of neck finish that she wants. So I am going to serge it. It is currently 10:33, so I've been working on this for almost 2 hours, and I feel like I've made pretty good progress. I'm almost done the first page of instructions. I have serged the shoulder seams and then pressed them towards the back. And now I have to mark fold lines because there's a button placket down the back. I have interfaced the front or the back placket and folded it the way that she told me to. The next bit is pretty fiddly, and I'm not even going to try to describe how it works or film myself doing it because it's frustrating enough without not having enough space because the tripod's there. But now I do get to use my bias tape because that's how you finish the neckline. It is 12:18. I started working at this just before 9, so it's been about 3.5 hours. I just finished the neckline on the blue top. It's really interestingly done because it goes from the hem. I'll show you the inside. From the hem, you sew from one end all the way across and then up the button placket, around the neckline, down the other button placket, and across the other hem. and then you finish the hem on the back as well. So this blue one is ready for the next step, but I have to get the green one to the stage now. I just finished catching the green shirt up to the blue shirt. Next step, I believe, is the sleeves. It isn't, it is the side seams. Oh no, because I'm adding the pocket, it is the pocket that is next. I personally am not gonna interface the pocket because I think it'll be fine without being interfaced. Hi, it is the next day. I have got the blue shirt caught up to the green shirt, and the side seams I used the serger on again. So all I have left on these is the buttons and the sleeves. So I can totally finish this today. Here you can see the pocket going the opposite direction. I like how that looks. I think I like the blue top better, probably because I'm partial to blue. But my sister chose the blue fabric for herself, so she can have it. Let's start on the cuffs. Hi, I finished both the tops. I feel like it would be nice if it was a solid color. I don't think that patterned tops are for me, at least not this kind of pattern. It may grow on me. I will insert photos of me and my sister wearing them together around our birthday. We live in different cities, so around our birthday. For the back, I ended up putting in these snaps instead of actual buttons, and I think they look fine. They're functional. It's just decorative anyway because you can keep it done up when you put on the shirt. I would make this top again. I should probably give it another go in a solid material. It is very comfortable. It definitely succeeds in the comfortable. You can't even see the pocket because it just blends into the pattern, which is a little disappointing because it took effort. And like, it's not like I'm gonna use this pocket, it's just for the aesthetic of it, right? And you can't even see it. You can see it on the blue one because I made the stripes go the opposite direction. That's the pocket. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the process of me making these two birthday tops. I'll see you next time. Bye!